Hi guys, it's Mrs. Boone. It's May 20th and today we are continuing to talk about the nets of 3D shapes. And today's lesson is just going to be on how to create and label the nets of 3D shapes. So we're just going to be basically pretending we have scissors and we're going to cut some edges and open up the shapes together. Please also watch some of the extra videos that I posted. It kind of shows the actual shape. It's just sometimes we need a little bit extra to make sure we understand everything. Okay, so in front of us, the first one, and again, your notes are should be printed out, or you can just draw them off the document that was sent to you. Okay, so rectangular prism. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to decide which face you would like to start opening the 3D shape with. And I would like to start with the bottom shape. So this is the side, this is the bottom part, and I already drew it, okay, of the 3D prism. So it has dimensions of 10 inches, and 3 inches width. Okay, so that's my first side that I'm labeling and I'm writing down. Now you have a choice where to go next. You can open up the shape, the sides of the shape left and right, or front and back. So I'm gonna use yellow to kind of like, this is bottom, this is top, this is right, this is left, and then we have the front, and then we have the back, front and back. So this is the bottom part, this is the bottom. Okay, and I'm just gonna, so you guys can keep track of the sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open front and back first, and the edges that connect front and back to the bottom part is this edge. Oops, I don't need that. And this edge and this edge right here. Okay, I don't know why it's not letting me like this. Okay, so let's open it up, and I'm gonna choose another color, and it's gonna be blue. So I'm gonna open this up. So this side is gonna go this way, and the back one is gonna go this way. So again, 1 and 2. Okay, notice that the length is still gonna stay the same, 10 inches, and this is going to be, front and back, and then the length, or the width of the front and back is going to be 4 inches. So this part is going to be 4 inches, and this is going to be 4 inches. Okay, so far so good. So again, the bottom part, front and back, we opened up. Now we need to open up the sides, right and left, and the edges that connect right and left to the bottom are these two right here. Okay, these two are the edges that will help us open up the shape. So and they're connected to the bottom. So I'm going to, these are the edges right here, as you can see right here I'm talking about. So let's open them up, right and left, and they are going to go this way. Okay, right and left, I'm opening that up, and this is going to be right and left. And then the dimensions of that are going to be still 3 inches, and then by 4 inches, okay? 3 inches and then 4 inches. Okay. The last part I need to open up is the top. And the top I did not touch, and I'm going to use, how about orange color, just so you can see this part right here. That's orange, and it's up to you if you would like to open it up to the back or to the front, because these are the two edges that connect. These are the two edges that connect the top to the shape, to either the back side or the front, So I don't know, how about the front? I'm just gonna use this edge right here and take this guy and just flip it and open it up. So I'm going to use red here and open it up again. Okay, and then dimensions is still going to be 3 inches. And then this is still going to be 10 inches, right? The same thing, 3 and 10. Okay, well, we just opened up our net. And again, if you decide to go with, for example, a right side, your net might look a little bit different. Just depends on the order in which you go when you open up the 3D solid. And this is my net. Moving on to the next one. This is a triangular prism. And the first side I'm going to open up is going to be, let's start with the bottom, and I'm just gonna shade it so you can see. This is the bottom side, and it's going to be 4 centimeters, and I think on your notes you don't have that dimension, so please add that in, and 11 centimeters. Okay, and this is gonna be our bottom. This is the bottom. Okay, that's the shape is sitting on this bottom side or the face. Now you have a choice. You can either open up the kind of a top part, and when I say top, let's do this color. I'm looking at this whole thing. Okay, that's the top, or the back of it. So let's just do the top. And the edge that connects the top to the bottom is this one. So you're going to open it up via this one, unfold it like so. Okay, and that means you have to kind of maybe cut this part, the top part right here, right, with the scissors or something like that, if it was a paper one. Okay, let's open this up, and it's going to be, let's do red one. We open the top. So again, this was the bottom, this one is the top, and let's look at the dimensions. We have 5 centimeters when we opening it up, 5 centimeters, and then the length is still 11, so it's still 11 centimeters. Okay, and how about since we're opening top, let's open the back. So the back would be this one. This is bottom, and then the back, this is the back. Okay, or to the left, and let's make it, I don't know, how about green? Sounds good. So I'm just gonna do, we opening this side right here, and the edge that connects this side to the bottom is this one. I highlighted it, so we're just gonna take that and open it like that, like so. Okay, let's open it, and again, this is 11 centimeters, and this is 3 centimeters, right? 3 centimeters. All of our rectangles have different measure in this case because our triangle, right? Our triangle doesn't have same sides, same length, so they're all different. Therefore, our rectangles will be all different. So again, triangles determine the lengths of your rectangles. The last ones are to open up our little triangles, right? We're just gonna go like so and like so with those. Now remember, they're the bases, and the edge that connects these to the bottom is this one and this one. So we're gonna do it via this edge, and I'm just gonna use, how about blue on this one? So yet again, we're looking at the shape this way, so I'm just gonna open it up like so and like so. Do you see that? And these are our triangles opened up, and this is going to be 3, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 5 centimeters. This side is 5. Okay, and the same thing goes to the other, for the other triangle. Okay, this is my net, and yet again, if you decided to open the back or the triangle front and back, I don't know, it might have looked differently. And let's move on to our last one. This is a square pyramid, and the reason why I know it is because the base is a square. And I'm going to use yellow. And again, I like to just write down the bottom part first. And this is my square. So it's 8 inches by 8 inches. And now we simply have to open up all the triangles. Notice it has 4 triangles. I'm going to use red, and they should be all the same, and I apologize if they're not. So something like that. It's going to open like a flower. Okay. And the sides, let's see, we have 8, and I don't know if I gave you the dimensions, but let's pretend they're 10 inches. And therefore, this is going to be the height, right, of each triangle. And this is going to be 10. And this is going to be, well, we actually just need the height of each triangle. So you really don't need this. You don't need this length right here. So in order to find the surface area, you just need this height that is given to us. The height of each triangle. And what I'm saying is something like that, right? Okay, and then after that, you will be able to find the surface area once Miss Ayaldi talks about that the following week. So hopefully this was helpful. Please watch the videos. Again, this is just an introduction to the nets and being able to take a 3D shape and open it up and draw the net down so you can actually find the area, or the surface area we call it, of the entire 3D shape. Thank you for listening. Thank you for taking notes, and great job keeping up with distance learning monarchs, and we'll see you soon.